Are you writing a paper that needs to use MLA formatting but don't know what that means? You've come to the right place. Let's talk about MLA formatting, what it is, when it's used, and how you can use it to be successful in college. But first, a bit of info about citations. When you include information in your paper that was written by someone else, that information needs a citation. A citation is a signal to your reader. It tells them that you're borrowing a fact, an idea, or a direct quote from someone else. You can cite websites, books, academic journals, even movies, if you want to. These are called sources. MLA formatting is one style of citation. Typically, it's used by the humanities disciplines. Think subjects like English, cultural studies, literature, and foreign languages. When it comes to citing your sources in MLA format, you'll do so in two ways, using in-text citations and creating a works cited page. In-text citations appear throughout your paper. They show up within your writing and almost always come at the end of a sentence. When you paraphrase or quote a source, you'll want to include a citation directly after. This tells your reader where you got your information. Next up, we've got a works cited page. This comes at the end of your paper, and it's a more detailed list of all your in-text citations. In MLA formatting, this list goes in alphabetical order by the author's last name. A quick note, different types of sources like academic journals, movies, and websites use a slightly different format for citations, so be sure to keep those differences in mind when you're writing. And that's your short, simple overview of how to use MLA formatting in a college paper. In the description of this video, you'll find the link to our MLA style research guide, which covers how to cite different types of sources. You'll also find an example of an in-text citation and a works cited page. And if you want a more in-depth walkthrough of how to use MLA formatting, check out the SNHU academic support video. It's all in the description below.